with you.
So glad you came back. Hey, check this out. So today I'm making a buttermilk brined, a fried chicken that I'm going to be tossing in some real easy buffalo sauce. Okay, it's a real simple recipe, right? Granted, there's a few steps, real flavorful. I know you're going to enjoy this. Look what we got. Looks nice, right? I'm going to try one of these bad boys. Actually, I'm going to show you this guy too. Look at this. Yep, so we got the crowd pleaser plate, but then you got your own individual portion. So I'm going to try this guy. You know I'm a flats guy. Try him out. Oh yeah. I can taste the butter, all the easy flavors. Seasonings are great. Please, watch it, make it, and let me know what you think. Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard. Alright, so we're going to need is hot sauce of your choice. I'm using Texas Pete here. Buttermilk. And I have 2 pounds of chicken wings. Okay, we're going to add the buttermilk. And we're going to put about 2 to 3 tablespoons of hot sauce in it. Okay, so let's add this buttermilk. And we wanted to cover it in the hot sauce. Let's get that in there. And this, is to your liking. You can put as much or as little as you like. Close it up. Mix it. And now we're going to put this in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours. But you could do it for as long as 24 hours if you have to, but minimum 4 hours, and then we'll get to the next step, which would be putting the flour and more seasonings, or the seasoned flour on it. So see your 4 hours. Now for our dredge, we need 2 cups of flour. Just use the all-purpose flour. About 2 tablespoons of paprika. About a tablespoon of salt, kosher salt, tablespoon of black pepper, tablespoon of granulated onion, and a tablespoon of granulated garlic. That's what we're going to use to make our seasoned flour. Okay, this is going to be our dredge. So let's get this mixed up. Okay, let's add our flour, and carefully. The salt. Black pepper, granulated garlic, granulated onion, and paprika. Now let's get this mixed up. So there we have it. Now let's start warming up our oil. All right, so now our oil, we're going to preheat the oil to 350 because of course, I'm going to double fry it. So the first frying is going to be at 350 for about 7.5 minutes, okay? And then I'm going to increase the heat to 375, and once it hits 375, I'm going to cook it for an additional 7 minutes. Alright, so while the oil is heating up, I'm straining the excess buttermilk brine or marinade off of the chicken. And also letting the chicken come up to closer to room temperature. Okay? And then now once it gets room temperature, the oil gets ready, we're gonna dredge it up. Now I got my breader box here. Right? So what I want to do is add a little bit of our dredge to the bottom. Right? Now we're going to add our chicken. Now we're going to add the rest of our dredge on top. Put the top on it. Now we're going to shake it up. So you just want to shake this guy up. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to let this sit right here for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to shake it again. All right, it's been 10 minutes. Give this another shake. So turn it upside down. Shake it good. All right, let's see what we got here. Then we're going to fry them up. And they should be nicely coated. Look at that. Perfectly breaded. Love this thing. Okay, let's get these added to the fryer. Now, as you know, this is a big fryer, so it'll hold all the chicken. And I'm going to put them all in. Just be careful. All right, let's give these about 7.5 minutes. Now for our sauce, while our chicken's cooking, real simple. Just make it just a little small batch. 2 tablespoons of butter, right, and a half a cup of your favorite hot sauce. Now again, I'm using Texas Pete. The other options I have, Crystal, Frank's. I got Frank's Buffalo as well. I got Frank's Hot Buffalo. I have several that I can choose from, but in this case, I'm using Texas Pete. Okay, so we're gonna put this in a small pot, small saucepan, and we're gonna melt this, and we're gonna let this simmer for about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna let it cool down, and we're gonna toss our wings in it when they get done. All right. So let me get this percolating. So we got about 1.5 minutes left on the first fry. We're gonna take our spider. Just agitate it a bit. Make sure none is sticking. See that? So I lifted the basket. I've increased the temperature to 375. Now once it gets to 375, I'm going to put it back in. I know you're looking at the chicken, it looks like it's done. It's not. It's not done, okay? I know you saw some floating. Floating does not mean the chicken's done. Okay, it's not done. I checked the temp on a couple of them. We're going to put these back in for about 1 minute. And then we'll pull them out. All right, let's get these bad boys out of here. Got my spider. Look at that. Looks nice. The chicken's looking quite nice. Let's get some sauce on some of these. All right, let's take our buffalo sauce. Let's put it on. You can put as much on as you like or as little as you like. It's completely up to you. If you like them really wet, soak it up, all right? A little mix. All right, let's get these bad boys plated up. Let's get these bad boys plated up. All right. This guy here. Get another little guy here. This guy. This guy. And this guy. And this bad boy here. Yep. If you want dressing, we got some ranch here. This guy get a little bit of ranch. Let's clean this up just a little bit. Just a little bit. All right. Almost time to eat. So there we have it. We have our fried chicken, our buttermilk that's been marinated in buttermilk. We have our buffalo sauce on it. Easy peasy. Try this recipe out if you like it. Hey, give me a thumbs up, right? If you're already not subscribed, hey, hit the subscribe button. Become part of the Peanut Gallery. Hey, we welcome everybody. Hit that notification bell. If you can't share me out, just look at this. And if you're not connected with me on Instagram, hey, hit me up on Instagram. Okay, because I try to put pictures up to let you see what I got cooking next. That being said, this Shrashira, I am out. Because I'm about to get my wings on.